Hi everybody, it's Cricket. I got some happy mail from Craft Outlet today. So just thought I'd share. Let's see what kind of exciting stuff we got. I know they had some new ribbon in, and I had picked up quite a few of them, the new ones. Oh, I got some pink flowers. These are really pretty. These. Got two of those. And a butterfly. I kind of got a custom request for my sister-in-law for, she loves purple like me, and she loves butterflies and irises, so found a purple butterfly. And this is a, I guess you have to put this together. It's a 3D waterproof butterfly. That's interesting. Let's open it. But you got to put it together. But it's this beautiful pattern. I love that. So there's that. And another butterfly. It's almost that time. Let's see. A bunny stop here. I swore I wasn't going to do any Easter, but I thought this was cute. So there's that one. And another Valentine's one. It's a little, it's like a vintage. I love vintage stuff. So it's a little vintage postage stamp kind of, sort of. Yeah, it is. There's a little, that's really cute. Sorry, a little interruption from my daughter. So yeah, the little postage stamp. And then just purple mesh. I already ordered a whole bunch of mesh, so, but I had to get some purple. And then we got some Easter, some polka dot, pink polka dot. This is the black scallop edge one. Swiss dot, black and white. And this, I don't know, it's kind of a shimmery black and white with silver. I love black and white. Some hearts. Bunnies. Really cute. And this is a smoke blue velvet with satin backing. And this is a black and white flower one. And then these are the kind of, the new ribbon, except this one. That's the hearts with the key. Very pretty. Okay, so these are all new. This is, it just says deluxe ribbon. This is a 4-inch. Let's open it. It's a 4-inch heart one. I think I have this in a, oh no, that's the hearts. Yeah, so it's got the fused backing. That's a 4-inch. And then here's another one. This is the same brand, deluxe, whatever, and this is a magnolia. This is a 2.5-inch. And then same brand again. These are monarch butterflies. This is a 1.5 with the fused backing. Very pretty. Well, these are just I guess a more affordable luxury ribbon. And then this is the hydrangeas. This is a 4-inch with the diffused backing. Very pretty. And then these are D. Stevens. These were on, I don't know, I guess they were kind of marked down, I think, if I remember correctly. But this is a bunny, a black and white bunny. It's a D. Stevens one. And then one more D. Stevens. This was on sale. And I haven't started on, I've seen quite a few people starting on the bee stuff already, but I haven't. But this has the black and white, or it's not black and white, it's brown and white actually. Swiss dot on the back with the honeybees. Very pretty. So that's it for this haul. This all came from Craft Outlet. And yeah, a lot of those, the luxury ribbon are very affordable and they're really nice. So go give them, go give them a check. Check them out. Bye.